to my channel. As you can see in today's video, a lot of people have been asking me a lot of questions about my room, so I was just like, why not give y'all like an updated room tour. So if you don't know, I go to Texas State University, and should I say my hall? No, I'm not gonna say my hall just for reasons, safety reasons. When you first walk into my dorm, the first thing you're gonna see is my regular show painting. And like, I didn't buy this from anywhere. I actually had my friend Jasmine paint this for me, so shout out to Jasmine. And then I have my I can't show that. I have my fucking lanyard with my pepper spray, because safety first, and then my student card. So if you come this way, I wanted like an aesthetic to my room, because I just wanted an aesthetic because I didn't want my room to be boring. So I got like these 3 cute like mini white shelves. I got them off of Amazon. You can get them for like, I think I got them for like $17. And then when you go down here, I just have my typical stuff, my license, so I don't gotta see that. I have my glasses, I have my remotes for my TV and my LEDs, calendar, but yeah, remotes, my lamp. And then I have my Mac, of course, my trusty desk, right? Just play my jams, and right now we're jamming to fucking Future and Lil Uzi. My sister gave me, if you keep going down, I wanted to buy a TV mount for it, but I don't know, we're not getting around to it. It's still a work in progress. But then as you can see, this is where I keep all my scrunchies, and then I keep like, hair stuff, lotions, perfume, And I just have my glasses just laying out. There's no aesthetic to it, they just be out. And then I have hand sanitizer, then my pens, a whole bunch of other stuff here. What else? Nail polish, other shit. Then my hydros right here, and then of course, always be clean. Always wash your hands, and cleanliness first, guys. And then next thing you have here is, in this corner, I just have like random stuff. I just have my guitar and then my ring light box in there. I have my shelf. I don't know where I got this from, because my dad got it for me, so like, I don't really know what to say to that. Every Texan has this, bro. If you're a Texan and you don't have this in your room, you're not really a true Texan. Like, then my birthday's the 29th, so And then I have my snow globe that I got at San Antonio. So yeah, I don't know how much this is, but there's shelves on Amazon. Bro, I literally got I got a mirror, and I didn't even need a mirror. Yeah, I just got this mirror at Target for like, I think for like $10. I really don't even remember. And now, what should I show next? Should I show next? So next up, you have my bed. As you can see, it's literally just, for my dorm, they require a twin XL, right? What is it? Oh, sorry, no. We have to have a full size. So literally all the sheets and the pillowcases is from Walmart. It's something special. But yeah. What else? Oh, bro. I got my rug. I didn't even show it. Don't judge, because like, I be walking on this side, but like, I have like an all white rug. It's semi-white, but ew, literally semi-white. Ew. But no, it's I have a. Let me just turn it around. No, it's like the difference, right? Yeah. I had this white rug I just threw down here just for like, why not? I got it at Target for like, I don't remember. Link in the description, guys. Ooh. Well, this is literally what everybody's been asking about. People have been asking about my lights, and I have to admit, shout out to Nicole. I got these from her. I got these off of Amazon. These are just regular curtain lights, so I think you can get them for like $13 off of Amazon. And then I outlined my wall literally with some brick wallpaper. And again, make sure you measure your wall before you order this, because when I first ordered it, it was too short. So like, literally like 2 slabs of my wall was covered, and I had to order more. So just make sure you measure your wall. The vibe I was kind of going for was to make it like trippy, like, I don't know, just trippy, literally like cute trippy. So I ordered some LED lights, and I didn't even know what feet. I don't know what feet these are in, but my friend Jade, she always went through a whole bunch of ring lights, so she just sent me like the best ones. So I think this is like a 36 feet by something, 42 I think. But bro, this jump took forever to put up, because like you see like me versus the wall, right? So like I had to use my bed, a table, and a ladder just to put this up, and I was still struggling. So These are pretty easy to install too, but like make sure you have like a tall friend or like a tall ladder. And then what else? Oh, as you can see, my dorm has, you know, these double windows. That's why I didn't need to buy that window right there. Like,
okay, first of all, window, a mirror.
And then next we have these double-sided mirrors. And then next up we have here is that we have these double-sided mirrors. These already come, you know, if you live at state or live in my dorm, you know. So, but yeah, these are live. Like, you have a big old closet in between, and I just keep like suitcases and clothes in there. And then, literally just clothes, shoes, blankets, jeans. I just keep all my clothes in there. So yeah. Now, if you look at the ceiling, I don't know if you can get this. Oh, my friend Brianna decided to give me the idea to just put hella butterflies on my ceiling, and I felt like that's pretty live. Cause like I know one of my other friends, she like bordered it. At first I bordered it around my my mirrors, but I didn't like it, so I put them on my ceiling. They already come with like tape on them, so like you'll be fine. But I would also maybe get like, I don't know, like these, because they be falling, so I don't know. But yeah. Of course, Texas State comes with like one big table and then like a shelf. So for these shelves, I literally just put randomness in here. So like this is just literally a whole bunch of paperwork, cotton balls, lint rollers. And then, you know, I have like just other shit in here. I literally just have randomness. But yeah, and then I put my clothes down here. But yeah. And then as you can see on this table side, they have like a built-in like desktop. You just pull out another shelf, and I just keep randomness in it. And then if you go down, they have more stuff you can pull out. And then I have my backpack just leaning right here. And then I just have more shelves, and I just put like 3 good books in here, a couple books, Bath and Body Works. I just put other random stuff in here. My trash can. Alright, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any other questions about my room, sizing, or whatever, just make sure you just comment it down below and I'll be sure to answer. See you on the next video. Peace. I just fell, bro. Should I like hurry up and put them up?
No, I'm thinking, no.
Imagine.
Oh.
There's tape on them? Should I just leave it? Is that enough? Is that cool?